What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jimbo50 here. Today we have something very cool for Scarlett here, and it's a new wheel, but not just any wheel. It's a custom-made forged carbon fiber wheel from Carbontastic. And look, it's right here, guys. Still in the box, haven't opened it up yet. But yes, we are going to be replacing this standard Mustang wheel with a forged carbon fiber. This thing is 100% custom. I've been waiting on this thing to come in for about 5 weeks now. So let's open it up. I am so excited for this thing. You guys have no idea. I haven't seen this at all yet. I've seen pictures of similar ones online, but have not seen this thing yet. And this is a rare thing, by the way. This is not a very common thing. Forged carbon fiber wheels is not something you see very often. I personally saw this first from It's Just a Six, Gavin. He's got this on his Shelby. Oh my. This is very exciting. All right, I'll tell you what, they get a 10 out of 10 for how they wrap that. I mean, I am very impressed. Check it out. Here it is. Ready? Moment of truth. Oh my God. This thing looks sick. Wow. Would you look at that? This thing is absolutely incredible. The forged carbon fiber is just something else, guys. So I've seen some pictures of this online, but no one really gives you a good shot of it. This is sick. I mean, this looks just as cool as it does, like, oh man, this is awesome. So forged carbon fiber wheel, we got the red stripe up top, Alcantara leather, and we got the flat bottom here. Now, the only thing I'm not sure what I want to do yet is for these inserts, if I want to keep them the forged carbon fiber or swap them out with the silver ones, we're going to have to wait and see what that all looks like. But this is sick. What do you think, James?
Looks pretty cool. Definitely way better than Ford's.
You like it?
Yeah.
Alcantara? Red? It's your color.
Yes. I like it.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and pop this wheel out. Nobody judge me on Scarlett. I know she's filthy right now, but you gotta give me a break. I only have one hand here, guys, and I can't wash the car. I can't do anything with this thing. All right, so from what I've heard, this thing should be relatively easy. There's 2 pins on the side, which you push in, spring loaded, the airbag pops out. But first, we need to disconnect the battery. All righty, so first we're gonna disconnect our battery because we don't want the airbag blowing up in our face. That would not be good.
You might have 2 batteries.
I might have 2 batteries. How do I might have 2 batteries?
A lot of modern cars have a starter battery.
Huh?
And have a
Well, I guess we'll find out if I press
the electronics.
Looks dead.
Primitive American car.
Okay, so you feel the spring, you pull that side out, and then you're gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, both clips are out. So now detach our airbag. So these pins pop up. I think I need a tool for this. Okay, these are color coded, which is cool. All right, airbag is free. Next, we gotta get this wheel out. All we need is a socket. Shouldn't take much, that's it. It's loose. All right, there you go.
This is it. This is all it holds on the steering wheel.
Mm-hmm. Now just pop off. Should just slide right off. So I'm curious to see which would look better. If we do the silver and the carbon, I think that would look kind of cool for some contrast. So let's take the bottom one off and see how it looks.
What an improvement of this.
Yeah. Well, I've seen some people on YouTube have them. It's very rare to see this forged carbon fiber. It was really hard to find. And it was expensive, but I was like, you know what? If it's something I touch every time I drive the car, I kind of see the value in it.
I think what would make the biggest difference is if you got machined aluminum paddles.
Yeah, that'd be cool too.
And that
this
AMG,
company
man,
didn't make them.
And
So
that
maybe I
AMG,
could find them somewhere.
It was cool because it had like, you know, it was the actuation when you click the button. You know, it felt like something, you know.
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah, those are in. Nice. Okay, so now the bolt. Here's your bolt.
Think that's good?
Give her one more little. Yeah, that's perfect. She ain't going anywhere. Damn, that's sick. Now the last step should just be to Get everything lined up, slide her in. Should go easy. So if you push it, it's not. Dude, that is sick.
Now you gotta go drive it just cause.
Yeah. I think it adds horsepower.
I definitely think it did.
Like what, like 500?
At least, you know, 350 horsepower.
Yeah. All right, guys, she is all done. Power's back on. Now we gotta take her for a drive and see how she rolls. And please excuse how dirty she is. I only have one arm. You can see it's broken there. Jamie was supposed to come over today and clean her, but yeah.
Yep.
Look at this. Jamie, I needed some cinematic shots of this. You gotta make a little cinematic video of my steering wheel. So you can see with the light on it now how this thing sparkles. I can't wait to see this in the sunlight though, because that is going to be very, very cool. But I ended up going with the silver trim on the bottom. I really like this contrast, and I just felt like all the carbon fiber was too much, and the silver did not look good up here at all. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this, and what combo do you like better, because I could always change these up. It's not like it's permanently here forever. Let's give it a go. This thing is sick, dude. I love the flat bottom. Like a race car.
It is.
Speaking of race car, how much power do you think this thing has now? Because this had to add at least, what, like 200 horsepower?
750 horsepower now.
750?
750.
So I'm thinking, because this wheel alone added like 200, maybe 3.
Only like sideways.
So one thing I will say is this company did a tremendous job with this wheel. You guys should go check them out, Carbontastic.com. I'll link them down below in the description. But they seriously did an amazing job. I looked over this thing with a magnifying glass practically. Like, there's not a single imperfection on this whole thing. It took about 5 to 8 weeks to come in, but it was definitely worth the wait. And tremendous work. They wrapped it up really nice, and their customer service is awesome. I talked back and forth through email with Chris, and he's very, very helpful with everything. So definitely go check him out.
Does it make it feel different?
This wheel feels so different than the stock one. Like, there's just so many shapes. You know, you have all these like different cutout shapes here. That feels nice. And in the back of here, there's like little finger grooves. On top of that, it's definitely a little fatter grip, which I personally like because I have big hands. So like, I'm all for it. I've never felt a carbon fiber steering wheel before, and it feels good. Totally different. Good grip. Like the red stripe. They just did an awesome job with it. I think it's...
See you next one.
All right, guys. Well, if you made it this far in the video, then you should definitely subscribe because you clearly liked it. But anyway, guys, yeah, this wheel came out fantastic. I am more than happy with it. It feels really cool. Everywhere you grab this thing, it's a different shape. And this is Jimbo 50. We'll see you on the next one.